You know what I'm talking about. All right, guys, check it out. This is my 2002 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic, and just got the Mustang seats for it. I was plenty happy with the eBay seat, but I wanted to have the passenger seat for the times when my boys or a super hot wife wanted to ride on it with me. So, went ahead and got the Mustang seat, and I like the look of the solo seat, but I wanted to be able to quickly take off the passenger seat. My understanding was that's what we could do with the Mustang seat. So here's what happened. Get your big bad Milwaukee quarter inch impact. I like to put the little 3/8 adapter on the end. Pop this off. Get a big bad Mustang seat out. Oh yeah! I love that. You can tell this one weighs a lot more. It's a lovely seat, all right? Here's the new Mustang seat. And guys, this weighs considerably more. In fact, let's see how much it weighs. All right, so we're at 0. I put the Mustang seat on here, and check this out. Look, I gotta balance it just so it doesn't fall over. So I'm just holding it up barely. And look, we're at, what, 6 pounds, 14 ounces. Now we'll check the eBay specials. See, we're at 0 and 2 pounds, 8 ounces. Look, I'm balancing it the same way, guys. Damn, son! That's what I'm talking about. That's a manly seat. Hey, guys, look, when you're wrenching, you gotta be comfortable. That doesn't mean just having a nice, comfy diagnostic chair. It means having the right shoes. I personally love the Globe Sabers. I love them so much that when I get done wrenching with my work globes on, I put on my dress globes. That's right, check these bad boys out. Super comfortable, leather, tough, manly. They got it all. You want to wrench comfortably? Get yourself some Globe Sabers. To attach the passenger seat, it's not a just quick release setup. Son. No. They want you to take off the seat, undo these Phillips heads, attach the rear seat, then do the whole thing. Plop it back down there, put it in the thumbs, and then you're ready to ride. Man, I don't want to do all that. I had this cool idea. You know what? I'm just going to keep the passenger seat in one of the saddlebags with my quick release sissy bar. And then when, hey, one of the boys got dropped off at work, just throw it on there, throw on the sissy bar. Let's ride. Well, Mustang shattered that dream. As Jeff Spavoli would say, I could fix it. Here's what we're gonna do. Take that seat, take out these Phillips heads that they give us, and we're gonna put in a couple studs that we can slide the seat in there, hook it onto the studs, and then put the rear seat mount in, and I think it's gonna be just fine. It's gonna hold it enough, it's not gonna get all roogly, and we're gonna have a quick release passenger seat. Let's see how it works. All right, guys, here's the trick. Check it out. I'll put a link in the description. You don't have to use these ones, but I like these because they're stainless steel, and they fit right in there. So go ahead, just screw these right in. These are what they use to go ahead and fit the adapter and stuff for your tripod, put your phone on. So go ahead and put these in. And what these are gonna do is create a little nubbage for those slots in the seat to grab onto. Cool, check it out. Put this bad boy back on. Boop. Let's put our side screws in. Manual. I think I said in the previous video, look, I ain't some sort of Milwaukee purist, man. I got this aftermarket lithium 8 amp battery. We got these holes right here. We're gonna go ahead and notch them out just a little bit so they can go boop and just slide in to those studs that we're putting on the bottom of the rider seat. Check it out. Get our little snap-on whizzer here. We're just gonna go ahead and cut a little notch. We're gonna be real careful. We don't want to slip and booger up and mess up this seat, all right? All right, check it out. Got a couple little notches here. We can go boop, slide it right in. Check it out. Come right here to the back of the seat, and look, we got our little nubs right there. Little nub right there, little nub right there. Grab your awesome Mustang wide tripper passenger seat, like tripping on a hole in a paper heart. I said I'm not myself. I'm not dead and I'm not for sale. The Griff is the new singer in STP? It could happen. Anyways, grab that. Just gonna line it up with those studs. And you don't even have to look in here. Just look at what looks centered up here, and it lines right up. Put that in there. Yep, we're on. Grab your 1/4x20 thumb screw. Look, this came quite a bit longer. Just take your big bad Milwaukee. Got that thing to fit. Take that. Go ahead. Whoop. Put it on and... Dude, that's not going anywhere. Especially with my kids or my hot wife's butt sitting on top of it while she's holding on to me so close. This is the way to fly. Look, Mustang, no charge for the free advice. And, I did all the R&D for you. No charge. Maybe send me a sticker or something. And real quick, want to give a shout out to my new best friend on YouTube, the Golf Cart Whisperer. Guys, Thomas is awesome. If you have a golf cart and you need help, problem solved, dude. Reach out to my friend Thomas, the Golf Cart Whisperer. I guarantee it. He will get your golf cart running and working better than you expected. Look, hope it helped you out. Leave a comment down below. And if you have questions or if you want to see something, let me know. Love to help you out. Thanks. I'll see you next week.